Good morning. I am Mrs. Emely T. Hernandez of Giants by Len, the author of the action research entitled Graphic Organizer as a Tool in Enhancing Academic Performance of Grade 7 Students in Mathematics. Mathematics is the one of the many subjects we have to take that will transcend into higher stage of learning. Hence, learners must be equipped with knowledge in fundamental skills in mathematics. One of these is their computational skills. This is very necessary in our day-to-day situations that requires them to be knowledgeable in computations of whole numbers, fractions, and decimals without the aid of calculator. Teaching mathematics in secondary level in our present education system, which is K-12 curriculum, needs a thorough study in looking for the best teaching practices and learning tools that will help increase the level of achievement of the learners. In fact, according to Maria Arcadis, students experience computational weaknesses in their mathematics assignments and examinations. Some of the learners have problems with their attitudes toward learning mathematics because of the difficulty understanding the content, having low foundation in basic mathematics skills, especially arithmetic or the four fundamental operations, and the learner's math anxiety. Learners' math anxiety prohibit them to perform with self-confidence in mathematics discussions and activities. In a 5-year study conducted on students from the age of 6 to age of 10 revealed that the level of mathematics anxiety in students is strongly related to student achievement. Sherman and Wither, 2003. This action research aims to determine the effectiveness of graphic organizer as a tool in enhancing the academic performance or the level of learning of the grade 7 students in mathematics. This action research aims to answer the following questions. What is the academic performance of the grade 7 students in Mathematics 7 before the intervention implementation? The second question is, what is the academic performance of the selected respondents after the use of graphic organizer? And then, the third question, is there a significant relationship before and after the use of graphic organizer to the academic performance of the selected respondents in Mathematics 7? The respondents of this action research are the 50 selected grade 7 students of General Aguinaldo National High School by Len, and the implementation ran for 1 quarter, specifically second quarter of school year 2019 and 2020. The researcher used quantitative and qualitative method on this research. The respondents used graphic organizers to organize students' concepts and guided them in demonstrating their thinking process in manipulating their computational skills in mathematics. To find out the effectiveness of the intervention, the proponent computed the weighted mean and paired t-test of the first and second quarter academic performance of the respondents. Okay, so from table 1, which shows the mean, the SD, and the mean percentage score of the pretest and the post-test, wherein in number 1, the results of the pre-test, which is 12.6 is the mean, standard deviation is 2.58, MPS is 40.2, and post-test, which has the mean of 15.48, standard deviation 3.41, and MPS, which is 51.60, indicate that there is an increase in the academic performance of the students after implementing the use of graphic organizer as a tool in teaching mathematics. So if you will notice, there is 3.20 increase in the mean. The standard deviation shows that there is a larger scale between the pre-test and post-test. The MPS increased by 9.40. Okay. Next. So the T value used was 6.8 or 7. Then the degree of freedom is 49. The standard error of difference is 0.505. The mean of group 1 minus group 2 equals negative 3.48. 95% confidence interval of this difference from negative 4.49 to negative 2.47. So, the p-value is less than 0.001. Therefore, there is a significant relationship before and after the use of graphic organizer to the academic performance of the selected respondents in Mathematics 7. Figure 1 shows the comparative analysis of the mean SD, MPS of the pre-test and post-test of the intervention tool. The results from this study shows that graphic organizers can be a vital tool in increasing the academic performance of the selected grade 7 students in mathematics as well as to the other students. The graphic organizer can be an aid in the computational skills of the learners. This can be an important strategy for the teachers in facilitating teaching learning process in mathematics curriculum.
That's all. Thank you and God bless everyone.